That felt good, Noah? Oh my goodness! Water on your tummy! Yeah. Hi, honey. Do you like that? Hi. Yeah. Noah's getting a bath. Noah, you're going to be 12 weeks old tomorrow, sweetie. 12 weeks ago you came into this world. Look at you now. Aww.
Hey, sweetie. Hey, Noah.
You're so pretty, sweetie.
Hey, Noah.
Whee! Kick, kick, kick. Oh my goodness. What is that? Okay, let's put this hand in the water. Yeah, Mommy needs to do your toes. Look at this, they're like white. Your toes are always in socks, so you need to wash your toes.
Noah, you're so pretty.
No.
You're so cute.
Noah's a pretty boy. He's going to be a very handsome young man. He is. Hi, honey. Yeah, you like that? You like the warm water in your tummy? Thanks. Oh, goodness. Okay, we're going to do your legs and stuff too, Noah, because you had all kinds of sticky stuff on you.